Under the relentless sun, a desert stretches endlessly, its silence broken only by the bleating of sheep. Idris, a young shepherd, watches over his flock, his simple clothes blending with the earth-toned landscape. The melodic adhan resonates across the desert, a spiritual call that stills the world around Idris. With reverence, Idris unfurls his prayer mat, preparing to connect with the divine amidst solitude. He bows in salah, his face serene, reflecting an inner peace that defies the harshness of the desert. Lost in prayer, Idris finds solace and strength in his devotion, a beacon of faith in the vast emptiness. The village market buzzes with life as Idris arrives, his arms full of wool, a sea of faces swirling around him. His gaze softens as he spots an elderly woman begging, her vulnerability stark against the bustling market. After a moment of inner conflict, Idris approaches her, a gentle smile forming. May Allah ease your hardship. He places coins in her hand, her grateful eyes meeting his. May Allah bless you in return, kind sir. Lantern light paints long shadows in Idris's humble home, a sanctuary against the night. The soft glow dances across the faces of Idris and his family, their expressions mirroring the warmth of the light. Idris recounts his day, his words carefully chosen as he relives his encounter with the elderly woman. Father speaks, his voice a gentle echo in the quiet room. Idris, my son, Allah sees your good deeds. Kindness to others is a light, Father says, his words a beacon in the darkness that guides us in this world.